Mom, I am very hot, said Tom. Take off your jacket, said Mom. Mom, I am still very hot, said Tom. Take off your pants and t-shirt, said Mom. Achoo! I am cold, said Tom. Oh! My goodness, said Mom. The turtle goes very slowly. The rabbit goes very fast. The kangaroo goes very fast. The koala goes very slowly. My big brother goes very fast. I go very slowly. We have a new phone. Mommy says, call me when you miss me. Daddy says, call me when you miss me. My brother says, call me when you miss me. My sister says, call me when you miss me. But I don't have their numbers.